let's talk about that patina. This is a plum patina. Beautiful color now. Hello everyone, it's Ezekiel with Shoe Slide, and I'm really excited. I had to make a quick video because I just received a package in the mail, and this is a package from my favorite shoemaker right now. I haven't seen the product in person. I'm going to do an unboxing and you'll see a genuine reaction. Now this is a product from, as I mentioned, my favorite shoemaker right now, J Fitzpatrick. I've made a couple of other videos on J Fitzpatrick here for the Shoe Slide channel, and I've mentioned a few times now, the reason that I like J Fitzpatrick's shoes so much is because his style is somewhat of a blending of two different styles. He has elements of the classic, traditional English Oxford, as well as some elements of modern Italian dress shoes. And I think he combines them very well. Doesn't look too old school, but again, the shoes don't look super modern. They can still fit a classic wardrobe. Now, as you can see here, we have the signature red J Fitzpatrick box. Very appealing fleur-de-lis logo here. The J Fitzpatrick script logo as well. Very nice texture to this box. It's almost a woven cardboard material. Nice feel to it. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up here. So here we have black paper, protective plastic. Each shoe is individually wrapped, packaged with these nice, very nice flannel bags. And now let's go ahead and get the shoe out. These are very nice bags. I've actually used them when I've gone on business trips and I need to pack up shoes. All right, now look at that shoe. That is an amazing looking shoe. This shoe is the Sunnyside Plum Marble Patina coloring. This is an Adelaide style Oxford, as you can see here with the pattern around the lacing. Closed lacing system makes it an Oxford, and it has a cap toe with some broguing here along the toe area. And what I really like about this shoe is there's a slight chisel to the toe, which gives it that modern look. It's a sleek, modern element, adding that chisel. But again, it's not super narrow to where it's trendy looking. It still remains a very classic looking shoe. The heel counter has some nice broguing here as well. And let's talk about that patina. This is a plum patina. Beautiful color. Now, I ordered this shoe. Initially, I was looking for a black shoe. I am in need of a dark color shoe to wear with dark colored suits, and my black shoes were getting a little bit older, getting a little bit worn out. So I was looking initially for a black shoe, but when I saw that J Fitzpatrick made this plum marble patina, I thought, you know what, that is a very, very dark burgundy almost. And I haven't talked much about burgundy colored shoes here, but burgundy is a color that matches with a lot of different outfits, a lot of different trousers. Burgundy goes great with gray, with charcoal, with navy. And this plum marble patina is a different take on burgundy. You have this amazing marble patina that J Fitzpatrick is known for. I have a couple of other shoes of his with the marble patina. I have a blue and I have a brown, and I'm very happy to add this plum color marble patina to the collection. And let's check out the soles here. Now this is another beautiful touch to J Fitzpatrick shoes. It's a closed channel stitching. You can see the logo here in the bottom of the sole, but it is a 360-degree Goodyear welt, so you can actually have these resoled and extend the longevity, extend the life of the shoe. Again, this is a very beautiful shoe. I'm very happy with the look of it. And let's go ahead and pull these out. So we got some shoe trees here. These shoe trees fit the model of the shoe perfectly. As you can see, signature red J Fitzpatrick, the JF initials there. And I'm very happy with this pair of shoes. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and try these shoes on. I think they will go perfectly with this navy blue suit that I'm wearing. And let's go ahead and take a look and see what they look like.